How to delete account bio history on Instagram. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can delete account bio history on Instagram. So without further delay, let's get into this video. First and foremost, launch the Instagram application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in, if you're on your home page, navigate to your profile page by tapping on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now from your profile page, tap on the three dot or three line icon at the top right corner. You will land on settings and activity page. Here, scroll down a bit and then under how you use Instagram section, there is your activity. Tap on it. That's gonna take you to different page. Here, scroll down again and then tap on account history. So once you're under account history, you will be able to see all your account history. Now, if you want to see your bio history, tap on update type button or drop down from the top right corner. From here, choose bio and then tap on apply. Now, in this page, you can view all your bio history on your Instagram account. So you can review all of that. Now, if you want to delete all of them, tap on clear all from the top right corner. And with that, now your bio history has been deleted all at once. So that's how you can delete account bio history on Instagram, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.